Hello friends, in this video I am gonna unbox and review WildHorn men's wallet, which is very popular in India. So let's open the box and how it is packed. So inside you can see there is a wrap, given paper wrap, and there is information about the leather and everything is mentioned here. I will tag the product so you can check it out if you want. So once you open, there is another plastic covering which adds pretty good protection. So let me open it. So when you see, the surface is very premium. When you touch it you will feel, and also there is a good amount of stitching given both side of the wallet, and there is a logo or emblem is given here, that you can see that WildHorn logo. So the thickness from different sides you can see it is pretty convenient to carry around, which I think so after seeing this. So let's open it and see what are the other important things. Like here is a coin slot, you can put your coins and other stuff here, and there are two hidden slots here so you can keep your items. And you can see the main thing like debit and credit card holders are there. You can put your debit and credit cards there. So here is a currency area. There are two currency partitions are there. You can put it for easy access. On the back side of the wallet you can see RFID protective is there. So it is RFID protected wallet, which is very essential nowadays. So if you want to check out the price of the project, I will tag the product in the video, as well as you can check in the video description. I will provide the link so that you can check the price and other details of this particular wallet. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, also share with your friends. Thank you.